What happens when a voice awakens the silence? A talented voiceover artist embarked on creating a documentary exploring the paranormal. As he narrated the chilling stories, mysterious sounds echoed in the studio, chilling him to the bone. Each recording session was haunted by whispers and shadows that only he could sense. With each haunting tale, the line between reality and the supernatural blurred, igniting his curiosity and fear. Eventually, he discovered the documentary's dark history, revealing that those shadows might not just be figments of his imagination. What he found left him questioning whether he had awakened something best left undisturbed.